Hello children, I am Alka Pandey. As you know, your social studies teacher. Today I am going to elaborate the chapter 4. It is the last chapter of your first assessment. What is civics? So children, civics word has been taken from Latin word civics. Latin word civis, its meaning citizen. So in civics, we study the citizens, their responsibilities and duties, their role in society, country and forward, and their relationship between government and its citizens. So student, in this chapter we learn about the civics and importance of civics and civic sense and responsibilities of citizens, election and voting, and taking care of public and private properties. So in this chapter we are going to discuss over these topics. What is public property, what is private property, So children, first we are going to discuss about what is civics. So civics is the branch of social studies which deals with the rights and duties of a citizen. It also tells us about the functioning of the government. Every country has a set of rules or laws to maintain peace and order within the society or the country. Rules and laws ensures that every citizen is treated equally and with respect. People who obey laws and perform their duties are considered to be good citizens. When people visit another country, they need to follow the laws of that country. So children, it is the duty of a citizen to follow the rules of the country to which he and she belongs. So a citizen is a person who belongs to a particular country because of being born there or being accepted there legally. So children, what is civics? Civics is the study of citizenship and civics is the study of rights, duties and responsibilities of the person of a state or a country. So now children, civic sense. Humans are social beings. They live in groups and form a society where people are dependent on each other for different things. In order to run smoothly, it is important for the people of the society to have respect, responsibilities and duties towards each other. Civic sense is the sense that makes a person a responsible citizen of a country or a society. It helps an individual to realize his or her duties towards the society and the country. It includes following traffic rules, laws, and keeping neighborhood and public places clean, showing respect to others, throwing garbage into dustbins, and so on. So, civic sense enables us to be a good citizen of a country to which he or she belongs. It is a duty of a citizen to follow the rules, to have the civic sense.